I have something very exciting to share with you. I'm starting a new role with Nebius where I'll be leading their developer relations. If you've driven around San Francisco recently, I'm sure you would have seen one of those billboards that says, AI runs better on us. And honestly, that line captures exactly why I'm excited about this company. If you're not familiar with Nebius, here is what they do. Nebius is building infrastructure for the next generation of AI. So think about high performance compute, GPU infrastructure, and platforms which is designed specifically for running modern AI workloads. And one of the products that I'm especially excited about is something called as Token Factory. So Token Factory is focused on AI inference and model customization. In simple terms, it helps developers run, fine-tune, and deploy open source models at scale. So whether you're experimenting with models, customizing them for your applications, or building production AI systems, Token Factory is designed to make that process faster and more accessible. Now, this is an area that I'm extremely bullish on. Right now, most of the conversation in AI is about models. But over the next 5 to 10 years, inference is going to become one of the most important layers of this entire AI stack. Every AI application eventually needs to run models in production, which means that you'll be generating tokens, handling requests, optimizing performance, and doing all of this efficiently at scale. We're still very early in that shift, and in many ways, we're still before that inflection point. But the growth that we're going to see in AI inference infrastructure is going to look like a hockey stick. And you're already starting to see signals of that. Even in the last few days, while a lot of the market has been down, Nebius stock has grown by about 30%. Now, to tell you more about my role, I'll be leading developer relations, and my focus will be on building strategy, working closely with developers and AI engineers, and helping people understand how to build applications on top of the platform like Token Factory. That means I'll be doing deep dive workshops, hands-on demos, and helping developers experiment with fine-tuning models and open source AI systems which is running on Nebius infrastructure. So if you're building with open source models and exploring how to run AI systems in production, keep an eye on this space.